I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander. These meatballs are soft, moist, and packed with flavor. Try them for yourself and never make dry, tasteless chicken meatballs again.
I think you're honestly going to find it hard to believe how simple these chicken meatballs are. You just throw everything in a bowl and then you just put them into balls, throw them on a baking sheet and throw them in the oven. Lots of throwing. Starting off with the chicken here, I have some ground chicken, and this is just regular ground chicken. You don't want to use like a very low fat ground chicken, just like the regular kind. If you don't add enough fat, it's going to be tasteless. Next up is an onion. I have a yellow onion here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the fine setting of a cheese grater. And I'm just going to grate this onion. And not only will this yield delicious flavor, but it'll also add nice moisture to our meatballs because we're gonna be using the juice from the onion and the little pieces of onion themselves. I'm feeling the tears coming. Doesn't it kind of look like applesauce, but it doesn't feel like applesauce on my eyes. So we're just going to scoop all of that grated onion right into the bowl with our chicken. Time to throw everything in the bowl. So I have an egg. The egg will just bind our meatballs together. I have some Italian cheese blend here that's just finely grated. You can get this right in the grocery store. It just says Italian cheese blend. And it's really, really good for these meatballs. Adds a little cheese. Then I have some minced garlic, fresh garlic that I minced away. And then I have some tomato paste. And only a little bit of tomato paste just adds a really nice dynamic flavor. I have some panko breadcrumbs. And panko breadcrumbs gives a really nice texture. I've tried regular breadcrumbs and panko. Panko is the way to go, I'm telling you, it's just perfect. Then I have some Italian seasoning, just a blend of different Italian herbs. You can use whatever herbs you like, but the Italian seasoning, you just get all the nice flavors. And then I have just a dash of olive oil, and this is just going to add a little bit more moisture. We have our salt and our pepper. I like a lot. So this is where you get your hands dirty, or you can keep them clean and wear gloves. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna strap on my gloves. You can do this just with your hands, or you can do it with a spoon, but it just doesn't come out the same, you know. And I'm just going to get right in there and just gently mix together all of our ingredients. You really wanna make sure it's nice and mixed, but try not to over mix it to the point where your meatballs are gonna be tough. The final step, bake them. 400 degrees for 17 to 20 minutes. That's it. Look at how good these look. Okay, so Eric's been begging to try the meatballs, so he will be the one to try. Okay, winner.
This is a treat.
Are you still a winner? Good.
Those are so soft, so moist. These are better than beef meatballs.
What do you gotta do?
Check it out. Tastefullygrace.com. Definitely.
Woo! My eyes are still burning. So, meet Tiny Tim. My husband got it for me. Not it, got him. Isn't he so cute?